What's up? I'm Fleming Pink, and I designed the Porsche Leaders car for the 2022 Porsche European Open. My first touch point with the brand Porsche was definitely my dad. He was always working super hard to drive a Porsche. So one day he made his dream come true, and ever since Porsches were around in my life. That's all I love, so I'm happy to be part of this. Hamburg is my home turf, so I was born here, I was raised here, all my friends live here, my family lives here, so it's my home, it's my heart. It's even though if I love traveling, I will always come back to Hamburg. My inspiration came from the 18th hole, and you have these 3 bunkers around the green and where the last putt is falling, so that was straight away in my head that this needs to be in the design. It was definitely a challenge designing a car for the first time because it's a 3D object, and I used to scribble on paper but not on 3D models, so that was a huge challenge, but I love challenges, so I said yes the second they asked me. I haven't seen any Porsche in these colors. Man, when I first saw the design, it was awesome. I saw it and I was like, oh my God, it looks so sick. I love it. The colors popped out like I wanted it. It was tricky to design it, but I'm super stoked with the outcome. The Porsche European Open take place at one of Germany's most legendary golf courses, the Green Eagle in Hamburg.
Flem Meister here, he loves these type of colours. We turned plenty of heads to get here, so
yeah, we
well
did.
done.
The leader of the tournament gets to drive home with this bad boy.
An amazing day, full of highlights. The feedback on the car is amazing, and it was really a great event here, meeting lots of nice people and the Porsche family, so super happy.
One last thing, I really want to thank Porsche and especially Porsche Hamburg for having me in your circle and letting me be who I am. So thanks so much. Thanks for seeing this, and let's see what the future will bring.